Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, recently there have been lot of mortgage rule changes in Canada for first time home buyers and even for repeat buyers. So that's what I want to discuss in this video, that I want to summarize all the points. So make sure you watch this video till the end and let me know what you feel about it. Just want to clarify that I'm not a mortgage professional, so this is totally based on my research. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed guys. So guys, the very first thing is the price cap for insured mortgages have been increased to 1.5 million, and this is for both first time home buyers and repeat buyers. Yes, this is for both. Okay, that means now a 1.5 million house needs a 125,000 down payment minimum, that is like 8.33%, and that is gonna be like less than 300,000, much lesser than 300,000 amount that is required now. Okay, once these changes are implemented, the maximum insurance premium on a 1.5 million purchase with 30-year amortization is now gonna be 57,750. okay, now all insured first time home buyers can get a 30-year amortization. If I explain it better, first time home buyers with less than 20% of down payment of the house can have the amortization of 30 years instead of 25, which is currently the maximum number. So this will reduce the payment on an average about 8 to 9%, and they will be eligible to even borrow higher amount because now they'll have more time to pay back their debt. Okay, now time required is gonna be higher, no doubt, like if you take 30 years. Now first time home buyers who have never purchased the house or never occupied a principal residence. Okay, alright, I don't need to give more explanation about that. Okay, and now all insured new build buyers, whether first time or repeat buyers, they are gonna have 30-year amortization. Okay, so that is good because that may lead to more new houses being constructed and purchased. So let me know guys, how what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.